Hi guys, in today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make red cabbage salad. It's very creamy and it's very delicious with just basic ingredients. You're going to enjoy this creamy, fresh salad recipe. Let's get started. You are going to need like a quarter cut of red cabbage. Then dice this into smaller pieces till way you like it, just the way I'm doing the video. This salad recipe is very delicious and it's very simple with simple ingredients. You are going to get that side dish salad recipe. Also, I'm going to show you how to make the dressing for the salad. They are just simple ingredients that you have in your kitchen. If you are looking for something very simple as a side dish, this salad recipe is a very simple and very quick salad that you can add to your food like a very perfect side dish. You will need green cabbage for this. Just cut this until to your size, the size you prefer. I don't like mine too tiny. I don't like it too big. I just like it in the medium side of it. So this is the outcome after cutting it. So let's start preparing our salad. Salad is one of those side dish that people don't normally pay attention to. Just follow this step in this video. They are very simple ingredients, just add together. That is your red cabbage, your green cabbage, and some great carrots. All these fresh vegetables are very healthy. Combine it together to get a perfect salad. They are also full of nutrients and vitamins. Making it as a salad is a perfect way to get all this nutrient. Add some green beans, not too much, just a little bit into it. Just put them together. Add some egg to add protein to your salad. Please remember to leave comment in the comment section if you have questions about this recipe, and do not hesitate in sharing this recipe. So let's start preparing our dressing. So I'll be using 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Then I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of yogurt, some black pepper like pinch, and some chili pepper just to give it a little spice. Then I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Then combine all this together. You can use other method. You can use the oil method, but I'm using the creamy method for this salad recipe, and my kids really love it. Add your cream to your salad. You do not have to add so much cream to get out your perfect salad, but this cream goes perfectly with this salad recipe, and my kids really love it. My family love this salad recipe and they can't wait to try it again. I make this salad as fast as possible. It's a very quick salad recipe that it doesn't really take time to prepare. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to share this recipe. Please leave comment to encourage us, and please do not forget to watch more of my videos in my YouTube channel and in my Facebook. Follow me to support your girl. I love you all. See you next time.